Good morning, welcome to another job. It's another pond clean, another new customer, which is fantastic. It's a fish pond. It's got a pre-formed waterfall. I have given a price to the customer to renew that at some stage, but for now we're just concentrating on the pond clean. It's not been touched for quite a while. There's quite a lot of overgrown plant growth in there, a lot of lilies that need dividing up, a lot of sludge, leaf debris, the usual thing, as well as the fish. No doubt we're going to be finding some newts, maybe some frogs in there as well. So as always, as you've seen in my previous pond clean videos, going through everything really carefully, making sure we're not throwing any wildlife away, going through all that debris, all that matter, and then putting them in a safe place, ready to pop in the pond out the end once it's refilled. Anyway, enough talking, let's crack on. There's as much water out of there as I could get. It's been fully pumped out, and then I've gone the rest of it with buckets and pots, just clearing it out. Lots of small fish, all in the holding tank, along with some newts, which hopefully we'll get to see when I restock the pond. There's a lot more baby fish in there than the customer realised. They've all been hiding in this this plant life here. So next thing, I'm going to get all this sludge cleaned out. I'm going to start thinning out these reeds, these marsh marigolds, these rhizomes of these lilies have got really big. Obviously I want to keep some of this because it's great for the pond, it's good for the ecosystem of the pond, and it's great shelter for the fish from herons, for example, but it's starting to take over quite a bit. So I'm going to get all of this section cleared out here, just divide up some of these reeds here, these rushes, and then we'll see where we're at. As you can see, I've moved over that large mass of marsh marigolds that had some lilies and some rushes and some irises in it. I've got all this weedy mass to get out now. Then I'm going to give that a power wash down, pressure wash it all through that mass over there as well, run that down into the lower section, pump all that dirty water out, wash through the waterfall, clean the pump, clean the filter. Then I can think about refilling this, getting the fish back in, and I've got a nice little collection of frogs and newts in there as well. So we'll get all them back in hopefully in about half hour, 40 minutes time. So the pond is pretty much empty. We're going to pressure wash all that down there. I'm going to get that pump back in. I'm going to get that all pumped back out again. I've got that clump of marsh marigolds up there. I'm going to rinse that through, let the soil and that run down into here. That's going to be all washed around, diluted, pumped out like I say. Got the pumper part there, going to give that a wash through. Got the filter, the Aussie drum filter back there, clean through, wash that preformed waterfall down like I said earlier, and then yeah, we'll get refilling this. So just waiting for this to fill up now. It's going to be a little bit longer. It's not the fastest of water pressures here, unfortunately. But over there you can see I built up a bit of a rock wall there just for the frogs, so they've got a chance of getting out, because it's quite steep sided, as you can see. This pond, not my favourite way to build a pond. I'd never build a pond like this, but obviously I'm only here to clean it. So I've just snapped them up there so it gives the frogs a chance to get out on that ledge once the water level's obviously up that way. So that's another pond clean, all done, all filled up to the level we need to be, and then I'll be back here again next year for the customer. Everybody else, if I can come back. So that's fantastic. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.